I'm gonna show y'all a weight loss hack that's helped me lose 80 pounds. You're gonna go to the store and you're gonna get some Cool Whip Light. I got 3 because I use these a lot. Go ahead and get some chocolate sugar-free pudding Jell-O mix. Throw it in the buggy. Sugar-free. Alright, you're gonna get the light Jell-O. You're gonna get the light whipped cream and the Fiber One bars. Go ahead and mix in the pudding into the whipped cream. Stir that shit around. Once it's all stirred up, you can put your Fiber One bars in. They're like 70 calories a bar. I love them. They're great for a sweet tooth if you got one. Put the lid on that bitch and put it in the freezer. I leave mine in overnight. The next morning I come out and I get that shit out of the freezer. I open the top and look at that texture. If you're tired of being a fat fuck, follow me.